news about Jesus has gone to Mark chapter 14 from verse 27 to verse 42. Peter I go say no know Jesus. Jesus said to him follower them say, all I want to turn on the back for me, because it right down in a Gad Wod say, me I go lick down the shepherd and the sheep them I go run all about the place. But after me come back alive, me I go in a Galilee before you know. Peter said to him say, even if the whole of them run away, me not go nowhere. Jesus said to him say, me I tell you this, and I true me I talk, before the rooster crow 2 times today, that said night here, you go say you don't know me 3 times. But Peter hold on to what him say and still say, all if them have to kill me with you, me will never say me don't know you. And all of them say the same thing. Jesus pray in a Gethsemane. Then them go one place called Gethsemane. And Jesus tell them say, sit down here so while me go pray. So he take Peter, James and John with him. And him did well sad. And him heart did heavy. Him said to them say, my heart heavy so till me feel like the pressure you go kill me. Turn here so and keep watch. Then him go little further, drop himself flat ground and pray and beg God say, if me no have to suffer them terrible sitting here, no make me suffer. Him say, Father, me Father, nothing not there where you can't do. Save me from them terrible sufferation here. But if I saw you want it to go, alright then. When he go back, when special follower them did there, him find them asleep. So him said to Simon Peter say, you asleep? You couldn't keep watch for 1 hour? No sleep, keep watch and pray so you no face nothing where we cause you for sin. Cause in our heart, you no want to do right, but you are just people and that make you weak. Jesus go back and pray the same thing again. When he come back again, he find them fast asleep. They couldn't keep their eye open and they never know what to say to him. When Jesus come back to them the 3rd time, he asked them say, you no still asleep and a rest? Enough for that. The time come now. Look, them are going to sell out the man with God pick and turn him over to the wicked people them. We no get up, make we go now. Look, see the one we sell me out a come there. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.